Okay, Outre, I was a little bit concerned on how this unit was gonna look. Look at these braids and look at that hairline. Outre, girl. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat. Look, you gon' be my man or not? Kick it in the sand or not? Grip it like a band or not? Lick it like a stamp or not? You gon' one night stand or not? Ice up on my hand or not? We gon' free some bands or not? Leave me where I stand or not? We gon' make some plans or not? Please me with them hands or not? Is you a fan or not? Do you understand or not? You gon' come back home or not? Leave my ass alone or not? Pick up your phone or not? Get inside my zone or not? Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss. So guess I'll take the loss. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. Ha, you know you better get it together. I know you never thought I'd forget it forever. Never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty. And in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, day. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss. So guess I'll take the loss. I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from Outre, and I'm wearing it in the style Knotless Triangle Part Braid and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs. So with this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. It does come with 13x4 lace parting space, as well as pre-plucked with baby hairs. And girl, look at this hairline. Look at the parting. I did not put any concealer on the top. I probably could to make it look even a little bit more realistic, but honey, this is just nothing but the Eben lace tint spray in the color dark brown underneath the cap, and honey, that is popping out. So the density on this unit, this is all the hair to the front, and I feel like this is perfect. It's probably just about the amount of hair that I would have if I had my natural hair braided. It's not too heavy on my head. It doesn't feel like super lightweight and awkward. It feels like it's right in the middle. And like, let's just pop into the quality of these braids. I feel like they were very neatly braided. They definitely did a good job. This unit is coming out as good quality, you guys, girl. So as you can see, this is super long as well. It comes below my boobs, past my hips, girl. Past my hips. As you can see, I added these cute little pops of these rings just to get a little bling bling. And I'm actually here for it. I feel like it's cute. So this unit is coming off definitely small and medium head friendly. As far as big head friendly is concerned, I feel like this could be a stretch for you. Initially, I did adjust the adjustable band all the way as tight as it can go. And girl, that thing was pretty tight, pretty small. The cap size itself is feeling like it's more on the small to medium size. So I do feel like if you do have a larger size head,
this one possibly could not be for you. Maybe you could get away with it, but I definitely would just take that and err on the side of caution, just because this one is not necessarily coming off big head friendly in my opinion. But honey, for me, it's been my hair snug like. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, my only con with this unit is I don't know if you can necessarily see on camera, but as I've seen in other reviews, where the lace stops, I feel like it's kind of prevalent and round. I feel like it's harder to tell on the natural color, but I have seen other people review this unit in the lighter colors, and I feel like it was more prevalent. I do feel like you can wear it in certain styles to sort of just mask that round sort of situation. Other than that, I feel like it's really nice. I didn't really notice, honestly, any gaps or anything going on like I did with a lot of the braided sensational units. My pros on it, I really like how neat the braids are. It feels like it's nice quality. I'm not getting any snagging. I feel like the frontal is very nice. These braids are super cute. I feel like this whole look is super natural. I like the density of the hair. I'm just happy I picked this unit up. Out of all of the braided units I've reviewed, this is probably my 5th or 6th one. I'm gonna say this is my favorite. Like, period. It's my favorite. I don't know what reviews you've seen out there, but girl, do yourself a favor and grab this one up while you can, because I'm here for it. But that's honestly all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.